I love it.
And then it's gonna go.
What is that? Hey. What's cool is like music. So yeah, then do it on the line. You know, put your art on the line. It's the same. It's all the same. That's what I like. You know.
Can you somehow sing it?
Yeah. I'm working on like just even kind of putting this out to say like, here you guys go. Like no one ever records any of this.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see what's on here.
No,
Today was a
recorded me a
day.
couple times.
Yeah.
And I know I did pretty well with you doing it. I was like, oh shit. That'd be awesome to see that.
It's like I got your night vision. Like there's so many different modes I was capturing.
Yeah, exactly.
So
And you had good angles. You know, I don't know how much or how good any of it is, but at least it's something, you know? Better than my phone.
Might even set up like a Dropbox or something and put some, you know, put this on there and say, hey guys, you know, on a Dropbox or something.
Do you have Apple?
Nah.
No, I don't have an
I might even put a Google Drive for it. You know, make a Google email and say, hey, here's the link. Hey.
I remember my first period.
Ruining your filming.
No, it's part of the filming.
I didn't know you were a photographer.
I'm not. It's just no one would ever believe when I say that this is what
You
goes
do
on. and
Wednesdays.
Yeah.
Wait, who needs to believe this?
There must be at least one written documentation.
Yeah. It must be. It must be documented. This is true. This is such a great meetup.
And I was going like different angles. It's actually like.
Oh, dude, yeah. Can I get you to get a film of my burn?
Oh, you know, I'll zoom in on everybody, go different angles.
Oh, dude. Would it please be able to get you to like film one of my burns? Because like I'd never do it. That's cool.
It's
That's
like then I'll switch it over to even like they go Super Saiyan green, do a nice shot.
Oh shit.
You know,
that's
so
cool.
even when you're dry running like this, you can still catch it.
Everything is green. That's cool. Oh, you're gonna kill it, girl.
And then switching from each one, so.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I just have my phone. This is much better.
You know, it takes a little extra effort, but since I never ever done it.
You can do contact sense. I want to learn how to do like.
Dude, it's completely different with the fucking.
Just the weight, man.
Yeah, and the rotation is so different.
It's yeah, I don't know how you.
I guess if you're not rotating it, maybe.
Yeah, because I was like, someone taught me. Yeah. Please teach me stuff because I've been stagnant in my drag stuff for a minute because I've just been like school.
Yeah, can I will.
So are you ever free in the mornings or are you a night owl?
Night owl, but I could definitely spend it with
I did. Are you free on Wednesdays? Yeah, so it's like earlier.
Oh no, my friend has lots of skill. He just opened up. Perfect.
The book of faces. Okay, you got it. Yeah. Alright, nice meeting you.
Actually, I was gonna show you something.